What is a crystal lattice? Consider a stack of bricks. Now represent each of these bricks with a single point. We see that each of these points forms a three-dimensional array of equally spaced points. Similarly, we can represent atoms or molecules forming a crystal as a three-dimensional array of points as. Let us understand how. We know that a crystal comprises of three-dimensional, regularly repeated structures of atoms or molecules. Now, when we represent each of these repeated structures in a crystal by a single point, then this forms a net-like structure of a three-dimensional array of points. Such net-like structure is known as space lattice, and each point on this lattice is known as a lattice point. Thus, space lattice is an array of points which forms a three-dimensional crystal structure. Each point on the space lattice is called the lattice point, and it represents an individual atom or molecule present in the crystal. Related terms are